shopping trip. My shopping trip. Jensen, do you want to see what I got? Got myself a Christmas skirt. Really quick and show you what I ended up buying on Saturday while I was shopping. I went to Uptown Cheapskate. It's like a Plato's Closet. I have not been to Plato's Closet in years because I'm old and I feel like most of their clothes aren't really my style. I don't know, maybe it is now. But this is similar to Plato's Closet. I feel like it's better. I don't know if it's a chain and if there's several of them, different cities, but I was pleasantly surprised. Shopping, I've sold a few times there and this is the second time I've shopped there. But anyway, so I got this sweater. It's super cozy. I love how bright it is. I'm kind of embracing color this year and I'm obsessed with all the colors. And it is originally from Anthropologie. It's, yeah, just says by Anthropologie on the tag. And I paid, I think it was $13. And then I got this skirt. Just a color block cream and like a taupe and mustard. And this is Very J. It's the brand. And it was $10. I actually bought a skirt like very similar to this years ago, either from Rully or Bohm, I think. But it was out of stock, so they had to refund me. And I'm obsessed, and I'm super excited for this one. I think I'll get a ton of wear out of it. This was $10, did I say that? And then I got this daisy sweater. It's kind of, it's not a knit like this kind of a knit. It's more like a tighter weave, and it's kind of like matted, but it's really soft. It's by Mimi and Daphne. Super cute daisy sweater. This one was $13. And then I got, you saw this super shiny pleated, it's not A-line, like this one is like more gathered in A-line because it's just kind of, not like a pencil skirt, but just kind of goes more straight down. I'm really excited for this for the holidays. And this is also from Anthropologie. It's Maeve. Maeve by Anthropologie. I'm so excited for this one. And this one was $14. And then the last thing I got was the plaid shirt I was wearing when we went to see the leaves. You'll see that, those clips next. I wore it on Sunday driving through the canyon. So I think super fun, bright, happy fall haul. Just getting some dinner. Emma, how's your dinner? Is it yummy? Oh yeah. It's so good, huh? How's your dinner? It's conference weekend, making some Halloween sugar cookies. Just got back from shopping. because Milo can fit through this one. So he just lets himself in and out. Hey, kitty. Whoa. Hi. Yeah, hello. Okay. And we need windowsills. It's never ending.
Put it outside, please, buddy. I don't want to hook it inside.
Almost. Just an average breakfast. What's you ask for?
What kind of sauce inside pink?
I think it probably just tastes like
Are you dancing?
the food it was sitting in. The same
I
container.
like to eat the crunchy, not the soft.
Why'd you do that?
Hey, don't we have boots?
Gemma, how's your strawberry? Is it good? There's her little situation. Perched on the edge. What are we doing? Are you excited? Not so much? We're going up the canyon again. Listening to conference.
Yep. It says Terraflex.
Look at that sunshine. It's a beautiful day. Look at all the leaves! You like it, baby? Oh, I'm real good at this. Gemma! Hey, baby. Did you get some food? Oh, sun shade's gone. Look at that little... Look at that! Oh my gosh!
Okay, so now push it a little. There you go. Is it hard to turn? I should have put that down even more. That looks like totally fun. Yeah, my kids always wanted a Jeep, one of the. Yeah. And I was like, you guys are too big now. So
He asks for one every year since he was 2, and he never got one.
I guess how much is it all? So the whole package is like $1,500. Okay. It's quite a bit. I guess my nephew has something else that's small like this, but it's motorized.
That's cool, bud!
At each time, I began my answer with the phrase, "In the restored Church of Jesus Christ, we believe." When he noticed that I was visiting a friend at a church of another faith, here are his words. An acquaintance asked,